Basically just got stopped by the police. The reason being that the lights are flashing like a disco. As you can see, they're all going like probably the way the police lights are supposed to be reacting when they're following you or something. So yeah, the guy thought I was a policeman or something, and until he actually went in front of me and pulled me over. This is the reason why. So what causes this? It's actually the plugs that that connect these lights. They would have been bent off, so the wires kind of get bent, the connection where you have the lights. So it's actually behind it where you have, just as soon as they bend off, they cause this problem. It's quite a common problem on the Renault Scenic. So what you need to do is just open them up like that. Once you've got them open, remove all the bulbs, and on the connectors themselves you'll see that they will be bent, so you kind of wipe them off, not wipe them per se, but get a screwdriver, start filing the bend, because they're actually short circuit. So just do that, file them off, and they'll be fine.